Slide down just a little bit. So this is a drop on the vertebra. If you think of all these vertebrae like cars driving into the ground, the vertebra I'm contacting, when it drops, actually moves forward, the others don't. Josh, his low back, has always been one of my biggest nemesis. That is, it's tough to adjust. His mid back, one of my greatest accomplishments. When it moves, bend your knee, drop your shoulder. Good gosh.
What does bending your knees do?
It relaxes your lumbar spine, which indirectly relaxes your thoracic spine. So Josh is really tight today. Usually we hear this great audible. Audible being the bone is moving from one spot to another. That's already moving in place. Just get a massage.
No.
His neck acts like it. Mid back doesn't.